if you be that kind of person wey you be like say if you no see fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, you no go fit fry egg. My sister, my brother, come nearer, because for this video I wan teach una how you fit take fry your egg without fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper, and you go still enjoy am. So I come across this video wey be say person, one of my follower, me say I still dey follow her, wey she take fry egg with only onions and salt. She come talk for the video say make we try am, say we go testify. Now I come really try am, say make I really see how e go, because me, I be that kind of person be say if I no really see fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, I no go fit fry egg. You understand? I go wan get fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper before I go fit fry my egg. Now I say make I try this method wey I see for this person page, wey she take fry egg with only onions and salt. I can't really try, my people. So like this now, I don put my pot for fire. I put oil and I go let am heat. Here I get 6 egg. I don break 6 egg for my plate. So I don already slice the onions as you dey see for the video. I come pour and put for inside the egg. After I pour the onions finish now, I go come turn am, then I go come put small salt, turn everything together. Only salt and onions with your egg, e don finish chicken na. So like this, I come carry fork, come use am, I come turn am together, turn everything together so that everything go smooth well. Make sure you turn your own well, because make e no be like say one side now e go get different color, another side go get different color. So turn everything together, add your salt and your onions, you are good to go. So na see am na, I don already tell you, everything don smooth together. Omo, if you try this thing you go testify. See, I be no fit dey fry egg without fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper, but ever since wey I come take see that video, wey I come take try am too, wey I come see am say the thing really go well, I no dey even dey put tomatoes for my egg again. Just make I just get onions for house and salt for house, e don finish. So like this, I don already pour my egg inside the oil. So I go let am cook for some minutes. Una no laugh me say I no use frying pan o, because na wetin person get na im person dey use. So me no get frying pan. This house wey I dey, so we new come, so we just dey buy everything small small. I never get frying pan, na im make I dey use normal pot wey dey take dey cook. So una no laugh me say why she no use frying pan. I know say some of una leave the good side of the video, na the negative side wey be say una see na una go wan dey talk about. So I don leave am for some minutes. After some minutes, I come turn am together. As I turn am together, I come test am, my people. I say so why I no see this kind, why I no know this method ever since, wey be say I go come, if I wan fry egg, I go come dey run it and scatter, dey find tomatoes, dey find fresh pepper, make sure say I put everything before I go come enjoy my fried egg. Wey be say if I get only onions for house and salt and oil with egg, I'm good to go to fry my egg. So na so I come take enjoy this egg, my people. Abeg, if you dey watch this video to this point and you never like this video, abeg now make you like the video, share the video and drop your comment. If you no follow my page, please follow my page for more video like this. Bye bye.